Kular uhespa keri India Gautam Adani ban Theh Pisa 50HAJAR Kular Tyngka Thaiñ North East Baroh away ban kentiu yagi Thaiñ North East hakayo kakot Baroh kiliang kamtam habayadai bat kasurap bat kakoi kakia jong karihi Baroh away handai menta ula Kular ban Theh Pisa 50HAJAR Kular Tyngka tang namta ka North East.
In Assam, we pledge an investment of rupees 50,000 crores. Today, once again, humble and inspired by your leaderships, I announce that Adani Group will invest additional 50,000 crores across the Northeast over the next 10 years. Our focus will span green energy, including smart meters, hydro, pump storage, power transmission, roads and highways, digital infrastructure, logistics, as well as capacity building through skilling and vocational training centers. But more than infrastructures, we will invest in people. Every initiative will prioritize local jobs, local engagement. This is what Viksit Bharat 2047 is all about. Honorable Prime Minister, we will walk in step with your vision. Honorable Chief Ministers, we will hold hands with your people. Honorable Minister of Northeast, will echo your mission. And to our brothers and sisters of Northeast, we at Adani will stand beside your dream.